Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tom yum soup from scratch. We will begin by gathering all the essential ingredients. You will need fresh galangal, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and bird's eye chilies for that authentic spicy kick. Don't forget your protein, whether it's succulent shrimp or tender chicken. Finally, fish sauce and fresh lime juice are key to achieving that perfect sweet, sour, and savory balance in your delicious soup. Now, let's prepare our aromatics to unlock their full potential. Take your lemongrass and galangal and gently bruise them with the back of a knife or a mortar and pestle. This releases their fragrant oils. Next, tear the kaffir lime leaves to intensify their citrusy aroma. Slice your bird's eye chilies to your preferred level of heat. Finally, prepare your protein, like peeling and deveining about 8 to 10 medium-sized shrimp. It's time to build the heart of our tom yum soup, the broth. In a medium pot, bring about 4 cups of water or chicken broth to a rolling boil. Carefully add your bruised galangal, lemongrass, and torn kaffir lime leaves. Let this aromatic mixture simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to deeply infuse. Then, add your sliced mushrooms and your chosen protein, cooking until it is just done. For the grand finale, let's perfect the flavor profile. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in about 2 tablespoons of good quality fish sauce and 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add your sliced bird's eye chilies and a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a vibrant garnish. Taste and adjust the seasonings to achieve that exquisite balance of spicy, sour, and savory. Serve your incredible homemade tom yum soup immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.